Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. So many times we take for granted all the amazing things that our body does on a daily basis that we don't even need to think about, like the functions of our breathing, our heartbeat, all our organs, our joints, arms, legs, brain, everything working in unison in order for us to be super healthy and in balance. So today I thought we would do a gratitude practice that focuses on our own body and how grateful we are to be in this vessel, in this moment. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in a comfortable supine position. So whatever that is for you, I'm going to come to laying down. If you want a pillow or a blanket underneath your head or knees, you can do that. And we're just going to allow our body to settle in for a moment. Arms come along the side. Relax the legs below. Gently close the eyes. And just start to find your breath gently entering and leaving the nose. And begin to bring your awareness to your physical body. Noticing your connection with the hips and the shoulder blades on the earth, the back of the head, your heels, your arms. And just bring awareness to how you feel in your physical body in this moment. And we're going to start with the toes, the very base of the feet, the connection to the earth. Just taking a moment to develop a sense of gratitude for all the hard work that your feet and toes do on a daily basis. Allowing you to move throughout this life. Allowing you to connect and feel grounded to the earth. Just sending some gratitude to your feet and all the hard work that they do. And bringing awareness to the ankles and the calves and the knees. And everything that they do non-stop to move you around this planet. Allowing you to jump, to skip, to run. And moving up towards the thighs and the hips. And just bringing pure gratitude into that space, the whole lower body, allowing for you to be able to move and dance and play. And sending pure gratitude to your whole entire lower body. Feeling that energy of gratitude, that high vibrational state within your low body. So grateful that your hips and knees function so smoothly and that you're able to move freely. And moving up to your torso, noticing your belly, your chest, bringing awareness to your breath, entering and leaving the lungs, and the rhythm of your heartbeat. And pausing to give gratitude to your digestive system. and how it provides the fuel that you need in order to enliven the vessel that you're in. How grateful that your digestive system works so well in processing nutrition and releasing anything that no longer serves you. The movement of the lungs, bringing in your life force into your being. How amazing that your lungs work so beautifully, automated, without any effort from you. Just providing gratitude for the ability to breathe in fresh air, to energize, to have life. And the rhythm of your heartbeat, tuning into the magnificence of this pump that feeds fresh blood, oxygen, nutrition, and waste all around the body so perfectly. Allows you to love, to connect. It's bringing deep gratitude into your heart space. And moving down the arms, your upper arms, your forearms, shoulders, the palms of the hands, the fingers, the wrists and elbows, back of the hands, the entire arm does so much for you. Allows you to shake hands, to hug and embrace, to write, to dance, to garden, to climb, to drive, all of these things, to hold packages, to hold babies. How lucky to have these arms, so very grateful. And just noticing when you say that, how that feels in your body. And moving to the throat and the mouth, which allows you to taste so many things that come into your world, to allow you to really experience this life through food, through drink, through nourishment. So much pleasure in the things that we taste throughout sense. And bringing gratitude to our ears, being able to hear beautiful music, the birds singing, people laughing. Incredible that we have this sense in order to bring the world into our body. So much gratitude and appreciation for our ears. And noticing our nose, allowing us to breathe, to smell, to tap into our most in tune part of our memory, sense. And just allowing that energy of gratitude to develop for the ability to smell and to breathe. And moving to our eyes, the camera of our body, just allowing that lens to bring in all the perception of the world. How grateful that our eyes work so incredibly to bring us color, texture, depth. What an incredible miracle, our eyes. And just noticing the outer layer of your skin. And just feeling that sensation of touch, whether you're connecting to the floor or maybe a breeze running over your body, just noticing how incredible touch is and how important it is for us to have touch in order to connect with others, to feel, and really develop that skill of perception, bringing it into your vessel through experience of touch. How lucky. And noticing the very crown of your head, your skull, your brain. So much wisdom and power in this organ. And giving pure gratitude to the brain for functioning so well, having so much clarity, memory, and depth. And bringing yourself around to the back body, running your awareness up your spine and just giving gratitude to this incredible part of your being that helps you move, lets you stand tall, to sit. All of the things that help to support your being through your spine. So much appreciation. And giving gratitude to all the other organs that help you to function. Your glands, your hormones, everything working in balance so beautifully. All your joints performing smoothly. So very grateful for this pure, healthy body that you encapsulate. And just taking the next few breaths to notice any areas of the body that need a little bit more love and attention, and sending pure gratitude into that space. And we'll complete the practice with one final gratitude prayer, just sending so much grace and gratitude to your entire being. How lucky you are to be in this vessel, in this moment, on this planet. And we'll start to move our fingers and toes, ankles and wrists. Waking up the body, maybe bending the knees and rolling over to one side. Pause for a moment, cradling yourself, and really sending some appreciation to this beautiful body that you are. Slowly push into the hands and make your way all the way up to seated. And we'll gently close the eyes for a moment and just tune in and just notice how you're feeling in your body and your mind. And let's bring the hands to heart center. Bow the thinking mind to the feeling heart and just thank yourself for showing up and providing this time for pure gratitude of the beautiful being that you are. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please click the bell and subscribe to Yoga with Meditation Mother. If you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.